completely went down. This was gonna be like a mukbang kind of vlog video. The beginning's gonna be a vlog, and then like later in the video we're gonna sit down and do like the mukbang and talk and have a good time. And yeah, so I'm on my way right now to meet Marina at Plant Power so we can get our food and whatnot. Sorry for the list. I usually never wear my rubber bands when I record videos because, as you can hear, it's ridiculous. But I have a dentist appointment tomorrow and I have not been wearing my rubber bands, so I'm trying to space these suckers out as much as I could for tonight. Shit. I mean, I might just put 2 rubber bands on. What is this car doing? Why are we braking? I hate other drivers. Like, I'm convinced that I'm the only good one. Sorry to offend anyone. So I'll catch you guys when I get there.
How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many times?
Guess who I'm here with?
I'm literally looking.
And we're not.
I just feel like I look really not.
You do. You look cute.
I feel really. Let me see.
We're just waiting for our food. We ordered.
Oh, is it facing?
We ordered a lot.
Yeah, we did.
So
Oh, wait.
excited.
Let's get the cookie because I want to open it right now. Love that.
Love a nice chocolate chip.
I really
We're waiting. We want to film in here, but we're waiting for this table to free up in the corner.
scared.
And so yeah, hopefully. Okay, give us a taste test. Have you ever had the cookie? I like it.
It's okay.
Yeah. I'll get back to you guys when I get our food.
Leave as soon as we start eating.
Oh well. Hi guys. So I already did like an intro, obviously vlog. We're at Plant Power. Hopefully you can hear us. And we're about to do a mukbang.
Yeah.
Okay, so explain what we got.
We've got some chicken nuggies. Love those.
We got a bacon
Oh, you should
cheeseburger.
like zoom into this part. Like, yeah. Love that.
Yes. And then we got a bacon cheeseburger. And I feel like we ordered more, but I'm guessing we didn't.
Okay. 2 ketchups
We'll do it
each.
so far so you can hear.
I want it really far so you can't see me. I feel like this just isn't gonna be loud enough.
It's okay. Here, I got us. Tell me why I asked people on Twitter to ask this question. Did you see that?
Oh wait, yeah. You tagged me, right?
Yeah. We got so much sauce. We ordered 3 ranches?
I was chicken nuggets.
If anything, it'll just be like vlog. And it'll be cut out parts.
We should cut this first.
Oh.
I love this.
I haven't seen Marina in God knows how long.
Literally since
It's been a while. When?
before October.
Yeah, it was before October. Because she got mad at me.
Okay, like you probably should put that in your first move.
Yeah, but it's okay. Friends fight.
Love that.
Love
Love
that for us.
Okay.
Oh, someone asked me, they're like, what's your, like, favorite... I was trying to come with the questions with the T. They're like, what's your favorite thing to eat as a child? What was?
I don't know, probably like mac and cheese or something.
Okay.
Oh yeah, definitely mac and cheese, 100%.
I know my favorite drink was milk. They used to
Ew.
tell me that I should be like a got milk kid because I was always drinking milk with every meal. Every meal. I don't know what food. Mac and cheese was a good one. I can't zoom in this way.
They're about to leave. Do you think we should still move after they leave? I kind of feel it. That way we can
Be a little
louder.
quieter. Yeah. Thing I love.
What can we talk about?
Ooh. Trying to think of like a funny story. What's like a story with us? Ooh, the time when we
I feel
moved
like-
out
What?
on my last day and we went.
You can't talk about that stuff.
I feel like we can.
I feel like I was more underage than I am now.
We should tell that story. That was funny. Okay, we're in college. Disclaimer: we do not condone underage drinking. I am of the legal age. She doesn't drink, so it doesn't really matter now. But it was we lived in dorms. That's how we met. Pubescent Marina.
I'm
Leaving.
really bad. Scared.
I just want you guys to know, we're really like out in the plug it for everything.
Oh, you know what we should talk about? Sorry. Wait, you said the plug?
What the plug? Plug.
Oh, you said out in public.
Public, yeah. What were you gonna say?
I thought you were saying the plug of something. We should talk about like our goals for this year.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Okay.
Anyway, technical
That was a lot.
difficulties. We moved like 3 times in the restaurant.
We need
Just
to
because perfect lighting.
I kind
we're
of want
talking
to
about-
edit this for you.
Do it.
Like I really want to get into like editing. I think
You should do
You
it.
know my PowerPoints are like
Yeah, really
the
good.
best.
You guys have to see her PowerPoint we had. No, you had for the
I've
chocolate
had-
one. So we had this project and it was
Sorry.
you did this research about chocolate, right? And so
I need more
her
chicken
PowerPoint
nuggets.
was so funny. So funny.
I literally need more chicken nuggets.
Maybe we should have got
Oh,
16.
they literally just left. Like when we're finally settled.
So we wanted to sit in the way corner and now the people finally left.
We're
Those are so
We're
good.
talking about our goals. What we plan on doing. This
Oh, I haven't heard
2019.
yours, so this is a good topic.
My goals? I don't have goals.
For
I
this
just
year.
know what I'm doing. My main
Your
goals
plan.
are planned around festivals. So,
What festivals?
Rush,
Okay.
hopefully. Then Beyond.
Yawn.
And oh, my dentist is a raver. Like back in her day, she was
That's funny.
telling me. I feel like if we were like just at one of our homes, like it would be so much easier to just like talk. And like in public, it's kind of weird because
I
like
know.
everyone keeps walking by and like.
But we
looking.
both live so far from here. Not far, but not around the corner. So this is a wait.
And I've always wanted to film a mukbang, but like I didn't think anyone.
This ain't it, sis. They have everywhere. It's having these like biodegradable eco straws everywhere. You have to ask for straws.
In California.
If you guys have never been to Plat Power, definitely make this a trip if it's in your area.
There's only 3. One in Encinitas.
Only 3 ever? I didn't know
That's why I'm
that.
so confused that it's in Redlands because like
Yeah, out of
Redlands
everywhere.
is like not really a place, you know. Like I understand there's one in Sunset Cliffs in San Diego, and then Encinitas, and then in Redlands. So I get one everywhere I live. So love that.
This one's like 20 minutes for me. Not bad. I mean,
I love it.
that's like going 20 minutes for like a restaurant. Like I live pretty weird area. Those are so good. Why didn't we get 16?
We can get more. Honestly, I like when I go out to eat, I order like 3 things just for myself.
This is such an old song.
I don't even know this
Who
song.
is this? Who sings this?
Drag Me. I don't know what this song is.
Vlog. Our vlog from Seattle. Really bad vlog because I didn't record ever.
I have
But-
a lot of videos.
Oh yeah, you did record on your phone. You need to send them to me because I edited that last night. so many pieces were missing.
Let's talk about Seattle.
Oh my gosh, when we went to this vegan pizza place, and I brought it up because Marina's like, it was so, in her review, she's like,
Oh, you have that video?
yeah.
I want to watch
She was
that.
saying how the cheese was so horrible and how pineapple on pizza, I love pineapple on pizza,
Ew.
first of all, like, that is it, sis.
No, thank you. This guy literally keeps like staring at us. He's gone to the bathroom like 3 times. Oh, I forgot.
The girls here are so sweet.
They are.
Workers here.
No, every plant power that there's only 3. I've been to like all of the plant powers and they have the nicest
Workers?
employees. Like, my dentist was so nice today. Like, everyone there, I just love them.
People becoming vegan nowadays.
Tiffany, you're next.
I'm vegan at heart. Okay, no, I need to fully commit. I think that's my problem. And just like have no moral support around me.
Neither do I.
I know, but you was so easy. Like you didn't like me at all. Like,
No.
well, being taking meats away, not dairy.
I like fish.
True. Got sushi all the time. Their breakfast here, we need to make it sometime, or when I go out to visit you. So good. Oh my god.
And the thing is, there isn't a lot of breakfast options here, so we could get everything and like eat it.
So, what part 2? Plant power mukbang. Let us know. I love the ranch.
And it'd be so
It's
cute in my
wistful.
room. I feel like because it's all white,
White.
like it would be really a good lighting, good setup. I love it.
It's a good option. We both have our hydro flask. Where is that?
I have not bought in a plastic water bottle in like, oh, that was a little looking at me a little weird.
He works here. He's chilling.
You get another one.
When I
and
first
really
got
don't.
this, plastic water bottles, only when I, if I forget it and I go to work, then I'll buy like a water bottle. But other than that, I'm always refilling it.
Can we talk
Saves
about
money,
something
too.
really realistic?
What?
Is how not often people wash their hydro flask. Like, people do not wash their hydro flask enough. Like,
I have to say I'm guilty. I'm being
I'm
honest.
definitely guilty. I
wash
really
mine maybe
honest-
like.
No, let's not even lie here.
No,
Like,
I never watch it.
Literally.
The only thing I will do, because I wear lipstick so often, it'll start getting right around the hip, and I'll take the like paper towel and. But I put water in it, so it's like, what
But
happens?
it's still bacteria.
Oh.
I wash mine. I have been getting better because I noticed like how gross it is to not wash it. But for a while, when I first bought my hydro flask, I didn't wash it for like a month, and that is so disgusting.
I didn't either.
But it's the truth. Like
didn't
I feel
either.
like no one talks about like the hidden truth of hydro
behind it.
flasks. Like literally, it's crazy.
I've had mine for almost, I feel like a year, and I've probably washed it. I can count on my fingers
The
how many
employees are
times.
so nice. That girl literally just smiled when she
Aw.
like saw us doing this.
He's
He's not cute.
my type of cute.
He's not anybody's type of cute.
We got so many sauces. I can't wait to take these home. Or are we getting more food? I want some more chicken nuggets.
I feel like
Are
we
you
should go
full?
somewhere else. I want to look at
Well,
cats.
we can go somewhere else.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm so
We'll go
down.
Sprout.
Like,
Oh wait, is there? Where? Oh, PetSmart's right here.
yeah, that's
Is
what
it
I was
open?
saying. I'm getting a cat this month, hopefully. But
You
my
didn't
mom's
tell me.
I feel like I have.
Mm-mm.
There's just so much. Like, I love eating.
What?
No, but.
Oh.
And I love talking. And I just feel like I've always wanted to, like, make mukbangs, but I'm just, like, I am just, like, too
I think
scared.
once you just get over that initial like feeling of being like, I feel like it's a lot of self doubt and just like, man, like, it's
Yeah.
whatever.
It's just scary. Like, if I did it, I definitely wouldn't, like, tell people that I was doing it. Like, I would just
post and
like,
whoever your crowd is your
and
crowd.
I don't want, like, anybody to know that I do it, so.
I'm definitely taking these. That was good. I feel like we did not get a lot of food, but oh, I think I had other questions too. What was it? What do you like to do in your free time? That's the
These
only
are
other
so
one.
dry.
What is your
Like,
skincare routine?
my skincare routine? You don't want it, sis. Like,
Mine has actually been to the T. Today I went to work with no foundation on. Ooh. Just eyebrows and a little bit of mascara.
I
And
look like I'm not wearing foundation right
this
now.
is
My
literally
eyebrows
usually
I don't want to see
my full
how
beat.
close this.
Like I have a pretty full coverage look on right now. So for me not to go to work with foundation, but usually I'll do a video on that. That's a good one. I'll record a video on that. What do I like to do in my free time though? What do you do?
I eat. I don't do that. I really don't do
My
that.
free time, literally all the time. Where's my purse?
Honestly and true. Oh, it's over here. I really, in my free time, I feel like I don't have free time. Like, I go to work, and I don't know. I feel like there's so many juicy things that we can talk about.
There
like,
is. Our lives, I'm not gonna be like toot my own horn, but there's some stuff that happens or like that I do that is just like, whoa, sis.
I can't relate. Can't
No,
relate.
you've had some time. Seattle was so rocky.
That trip was really, like, not the vibe. Like,
I mean,
that
it kind
was-
of ruined my life too, if I'm being honest.
Yeah. It kind of, yeah.
It ruined 2018 for me. Like, how sad. Just, it was a fun trip. Great time with my best friend, but the people I met.
I feel like that was a very, I feel like I want to talk about it, but it was just like a not good time. Like,
Yeah.
it was,
It had its ups and downs. I don't feel like it was completely 100% like horrible.
I feel like we should talk about it in another one.
Okay.
And catch us
See ya.
in the next one. Like, there's just,
Probably gonna end this soon though, because we're breaking on 20 minutes.
well, you're gonna, like, edit
yeah.
it. I wish I would have gotten my eyebrows done. I wish I would have gotten a forehead redone. Why do my
Dang, I'm
cheekbones
just
like
getting-
kind of look good in this? Like,
you're
not right
small,
now,
sis.
but like, I have really. chubby
Dang, we didn't take a thumbnail with the food.
Oh,
Here, why don't you hold that?
we are like, we're not getting a thumbnail. That's really not good. That is really. I'm glad that didn't
We're going.
hurt me.